Good morning, guys. It's June 8th. It's Monday, and it's our last Monday of the school year. Here's what we're doing today. After you watch this video, you're going to complete the Google form. There's additional questions on the Google form today about the end of school year and your grade for social studies. So make sure that you complete that Google form and hand it in. You're going to complete your discussion today. The assignment is your art activity that we started on Friday. Here's a list of when those activities are due. If you're in period 3, your Zoom tomorrow, which is when the art activity will be due, is at 11. Period 4 is at 11:15. Period 5, 11:30. Period 6, 11:45. And period 7 at 12 o'clock. And I will post the link to the Zoom tomorrow on my page. All right. So keep working on that. And then I have the Google form here for you just to make sure that you have completed that and handed it in. If you have a picture for the virtual classroom for tomorrow, go ahead and email that to me and see if you can get in the virtual classroom for tomorrow. The daily poll today is about your Zoom tomorrow, so make sure you fill that out so that you know what time you are Zooming with your class. Going over the assignment, on Friday you should have read these articles and chapters and watched the video, taken notes about what things represent the Roman legacy, and then think about what you're going to create, and then you're going to be working on that again today to present tomorrow. In the virtual classroom today, I have everything there for you. Go ahead and hand in the Google form and you'll be all set. On the Google form, it asks you about watching the video, knowing what time your mandatory Zoom is tomorrow, and then about your grades. Have you checked PowerSchool? Do you have missing assignments? And just if you haven't turned in a summative, your grade will be an incomplete. All right, let me know if you have any questions. Thanks, bye.